All right, let's talk about a word you probably use, I don't know, a dozen times a day. It seems so simple, but it's actually packed with all these hidden layers of meaning. And that word is free.
And I'm not kidding when I say it's common. Get this. Free is actually one of the top 1,000 most used words in the entire English language. I mean, we use it all the time, right? Whether you're talking about what you're doing this weekend or you spot a special offer in a store. But here's the thing. Because we use it so much, we kind of take it for granted. We don't really stop to think about what it actually means. So let's do that. Let's dig in and figure out what this little word is all about.
Okay, so first things first. The way you probably use free the most is as an adjective. A word that describes something. It's like a label we slap onto things or people or even situations. And the number one meaning, the one that probably just popped into your head, is no cost. If something's free, it doesn't cost you any money. Pretty straightforward, right? Here's a perfect example of that. The government provides free healthcare for people who cannot afford it. See, in this sentence, free is all about the cash, or, well, the lack of cash needed. But wait, it gets more interesting. Free isn't just about your wallet. It can also be about, well, movement. The ability to just go wherever you please, with absolutely nothing holding you back. This next example really paints a perfect picture. A wild bird is free to go where it likes. That's it right there. It's all about not being caged in, no barriers, just pure movement. Okay, so we've done money, we've done movement. Now let's get a little more abstract. Let's talk about a state of mind. Free can also mean being carefree. That feeling of having no worries, no responsibilities weighing you down. And I think we can all relate to this one. When she is not at work, she is free. Ah, yeah. That's that amazing feeling when you clock out and just leave all that work stuff behind for a little while. All right, let's swing back from the mental stuff to something a bit more physical again. Free can also mean something is, well, unblocked. The path is totally clear, nothing's in the way. Here's a super simple but really clear example for that. The drain was free of anything blocking it. The water can flow. The path is open. It's free.
Now this next one, I guarantee you use this all the time and don't even think twice about it. Free can mean something is available or not being used. It's all about whether something is occupied. You know when you walk into a crowded coffee shop and ask, "Hey, is this chair free?" That's exactly it. This chair does not have anyone sitting in it. It is free. It's up for grabs. Okay, and for the last meaning as an adjective, let's get a little bigger, a little more profound. Free can mean having no limits, no conditions holding you down. It's a huge idea, right? And when you think about it, it kind of ties all the other meanings together. Being free from cost, free to move, free from worry. It all adds up to this bigger idea of a life without limitations. And this example really drives it home. This is a free country. You can have your own freedom of speech here. Wow. In that sentence, free isn't just a simple word anymore, is it? It's like the very foundation of how a society works. So we've gone through all these ways free can describe something. But get this, it can also be an action. It can be a verb. How cool is that? Let's check it out. Yeah, when you use free as a verb, it's really direct, really powerful. To free something or someone means to release them. You're actually giving them freedom. It's an action. So just to make it super clear, think of it this way. To free is the same as to release. And the total opposite, that would be to capture. So one action is about liberation and the other is about trapping something. Big difference. And let's bring back our bird example to see it in action. She frees the birds because they do not belong in a cage. See? She's doing something. She's actively letting them go. All right, so we've looked at free from a bunch of different angles. What's the big takeaway from all this? Well, it really shows you the hidden power that's packed inside these simple, everyday words. So what did we learn? 3 big things. First, one little word can do a ton of different jobs. It can describe things, and it can be an action. Second, context is everything. What free means completely changes depending on the sentence. And finally, and this is the big one, simple English words can be way more powerful and complex than we give them credit for. So next time you say something is free, maybe you'll think about just how much that one word can do. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple words do we use every single day that are hiding this whole secret world of meaning, just waiting for us to find it?